Summer is here, and warmer weather brings with it more driving, which brings more service opportunities for your shop. Take TPMS service, for example. More volume comes with a higher risk of sensor damage during tire changeovers, so attention to detail matters now more than ever. In this video, let's discuss how to avoid TPMS sensor damage during service or tire changeovers. Want to avoid TPMS damage? Make sure your technicians know the basics. It's a good idea to always break the bead before touching the TPMS sensor or valve stem. Tire machine rollers or leverless heads can help to avoid damage. Your technicians should also make sure to pay attention to sensor type when demounting. If it's an aluminum clamp-in valve, remove the nut first so the sensor drops into the tire cavity. For rubber snap-in valves, position the valve at 12 or 6 o'clock when breaking the bead. That keeps the opposite side of the sensor out of harm's way. Regardless of valve type, when mounting, make sure the valve is positioned under the dismount head. This lets the bead pass over the valve with a low risk of damage. While mounting, your technicians should try to put the valve where the tire meets the rim on the turntable. Remind your technicians to not let the little things, like lubrication, slip through the cracks. Before pulling a snap-in valve through the hole, apply lube. It helps the stem seat properly and protects it from tearing or twisting. Something else that technicians may not even consider is sensor size. Larger sensors are more prone to getting damaged during service because they take up more space inside the wheel cavity. While you're at it, make sure you're stocked up on TPMS sensors, regardless of the season. Having plenty of TPMS sensors on hand will keep you from scrambling mid-job and save your shop time and money this busy season. The real key, though, is making sure your team knows exactly what they're doing. The steps we provided may seem basic, but they can make all the difference when it comes to avoiding sensor damage or comebacks. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.